What's up, guys? Today we are building up a Haro Master Bashguard. So this is an original Haro Master, and we have the original forks. These are repop fork standers. We got a bulldog on the front. We got this crazy lychee brake on the back, a fusion clamp, and a layback seat post. So this thing's going to be amazing. The stickers have been redone. Check them out. This frame has been powder coated. So let's move on to some parts. All right, so we got the original handlebars. They're in a little bit rough shape here, but still pretty good. We got some Haro grips, fusion stem. We got reproduction Haro fusion cranks. These are like the Primo Power Bike GT Power Series cranks. We have a Haro team disc. We got some Primo tenderizer pedals. We're gonna throw on a hot pink chain. We got some Araya wheels, reproduction Haro HPF tires. Hopefully this gyro kit's gonna fit. We got a lime green, lime yellow gyro kit. I think that's it. Let's get to the build. What's up, guys? We finished up this 1990 Haro Master. This thing came out really awesome. I'm gonna go through all the parts with you, but first show off the frame. This was repowdered. These are Haro genuine stickers. So let's go through all the parts with you. We have the original Haro grips with some new Haro bar ends. We put on brand new Tech 77 levers. We put on these cool gyro cables to match the stickers. We got knee saver bars, fusion stem, a Haro 1-inch headset. We put on a new gyro. Close up of the stickers. Haro did a really good job on these. These are Haro HPF tires in 2.2. We have a Diacom Pitbull brake. This is a stock wheel. We put on these fusion stickers and some TNT nuts. These are the original forks with the flip down fork standers. Primo tenderizer pedals, Haro fusion cranks, reproduction. We have a Haro sprocket. We put on a pink KMC chain, fusion seat post clamp, a laid back post, this comfy Haro seat. We got the lychee brakes. These are like BOA brakes. Another Haro tire on the back, pink crown, valve cap, and the original wheels. Another TNT nut on the back. So this thing came out really good. I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna post a bunch more bashers above, so make sure to check those out. Also, let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.